Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SRNE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Done this analysis over the past few days, and that is where the green line here is coming from, and that actually plays a very, let me see, there we go, make it a little easier to see, a very vital role in today's price movement. So things were started off very rough, gap down, and then after the gap down, the price came down, broke through that support, kept on going, but this is where you got to give credit where credit's due. The bulls fought back, so much so that not only did they get back above to the green line, but got back above it. And then this is what's very interesting is as soon as the price got back up above it, that level went to acting as support once again. So this is an area that, like I said, means a little bit more to those of you if you watched the previous videos, but talked about this area right here at the 1215-ish mark as support, and good to see that although it was violated today, the price was able to get back above it, and then as I showed, it has now stayed above it. So 1215 remains that key level of support that you would ideally like to see hold. Now I say ideally because if the price falls below it, not the end of the world, because you also have the big one down here, the pink line there, which on my chart represents the very, very well-known, very famous 200 period moving average. In fact, even if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, you want to see the price stay above it. You want to see it act as support. So that's why I would say, yeah, 1215 would be great if the price can hold above it, but not the end of the world because you still have the 200 period. Now, if the price goes down to the 200 period and then crushes down through there, at that point, that'd be a pretty big red flag. But as of now, 1215 doing a fantastic job of holding strong. In the event the price does try to bounce back to the upside, key area of resistance that I'm very curious about on any sort of attempted bounce going to be right up here around $13.15. But as of now, the chart was definitely looking very shaky this morning, but like I said, the bulls showed some signs of strength, so we'll see if this can get some momentum back or not early next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.